guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time to see me, my name is Lynn Zabu, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always turning and watching them again, because sometimes they're really not that entertaining, but you keep up with me, so thank you so much. Today I am taking you on a house tour, where I live in Dubai with my friend. So this is shared space. I might not show you every detail because it's shared space and she might want her privacy, but I'm showing you the part that will entertain you. Anyway, I decided to go weaveless, so rate my looks, rate my hair, like on a scale of 10, how many or how much do I get on this fantastic look? How many do I get? Anyways, I won't take much of your time. Let's get going. Of course, this is the entrance door, so I have to peep at you when you knock. And then this is a modern kitchen. It's an open kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. Some of this is not really well organized, but you will bear with me. You will bear with me. So here is all my cutlery, if that's what they call it, cutlery. I use this to clean very micro things. Spoons, forks, everything, ice cream scoops or scoopers. And then down here I have all the things I use for my barbecue or to store things, and then polythene for garbage, and then down here more cutlery. There's more cutlery down here, yes, plus this one where I put all the towels that I use. And of course, this is a washing machine, the things I haven't washed so far. And I was going to cook something. If you know what this is. And this is where I usually put my keys, every small details that I don't want to lose. And also here sometimes I put bananas. This is supposed to be here, there, and my orange and my, those small things that you don't want to leave scattered on the floor. Then here is where I put, I think I use this for just fun, really. And of course, kitchen towel. I have masks here. I'm telling you, I've messed up everything today. And then I put this is my tea leaves, really, for slimming, because I've gained a lot of weight lately. These are the tea leaves for my friend. She's Filipino, half British, so she takes English breakfast tea a lot. These are also digestive. What is this? This is cumin. Yes, cumin. This is where I put my sugar, salt. I have a candle here. This is where I put all my ingredients. When I want to make a stew or dressing stuff, this is where I go. I have Ryco, I have cooking oil. That's the type of cooking oil I use. I have this is my friend's kitchen library. This is where she keeps all her cooking books, cooking books. All of these are cooking books. And then up here, let's see what's there. And then up here we have all this. I think if you're Ugandan, you can clearly see what is mine already. You can see what is already mine. So we have Ryco, we have all kinds of spaghetti. We have Blue Band, I have bushera here, and I have posho here. I have baking powders because I've been trying to learn how to bake. Yeah, so basically that is the place where I keep all my food stuff and the things that I need immediately. And then we go to the cooker. This is where I make my food from. I cook from here. You can see me there in the reflection. Yes, and let's see, there's nothing in there, but I'm gonna be putting in my meat. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting in the meat. I'm alone today, so I can cook whatever I want. Yeah, and then I'll fire it after. So yeah, this gas never goes off. I think it's wired by a company, so it's, you pay monthly. You don't fill the tanks, you know, you just pay monthly. So yeah, so I cook from, and these are all her knives. I swear these are all her knives. She has all kinds of things to cut. Of course, that's our blender, and forgive my dirty sink, but this is where we wash our dishes from. And then you hang the things there, like after washing them, and more stuff up there for cooking, of course. Yeah, you can see we have lots of cockroaches and they keep disturbing the place. Then here we have this is where the gas meter is, and this is my coconut oil. See, when I kill the cockroaches, I keep them here just to scare away the rest. I don't know if they get scared really. And this is where we keep the immediate plates, like we're just two of us, so that's where we keep our plates. And the upper containers here I used to, you know, make the cake. When I want to make the cake, these are the containers I use. And these ones, I used to use them, you can see I bought them from IKEA, and I used to use them when I was still in my bed space back then, but she decided to give me a home to stay, so we use these white ones now. And more plates, and that's where she puts her glasses. You can see Uganda stuff already there. The Uganda tequila glasses. And of course, those who stay in Dubai know why we need containers all the time, because we don't usually cook. We cook once and then we keep the food in boxes. And then here we have lots of her soups. She loves soups, lots of packed soups and cornflakes. Yeah. And then here we have more cups. I think we have more cups, and this is her favorite. The one with boobs is her favorite. Anyway, yeah, so that's a fish up there. That's mudalasini. That's a very old jar. This is our fridge. Before we get to the fridge, this is honey, like pure honey. I got it from Uganda, Arua. This is our microwave. This is the kettle we use to make tea. This is a dishwasher, which I don't usually use. And this chair here, I step on when I want. And so, this is my honey that I got from Arua, Kampala. Like, it's unfiltered, organic, like pure organic. And these are the plates she uses for sweets sometimes. That's the kettle for water. And this is a microwave, which you can as well use to bake. And forgive my messiness, that is mine. This is a dry fish. This is of course our fridge, which has a freezer and lots of stuff in there. Let me see. And then she loves a lot of soda water. And then she loves that. You can see my butter. This is my food. And this side we have eggs, we have juice and all that. Most of it though is hers. Yeah, basically that's my fridge, and my kitchen, or our kitchen, is like this. So this house doesn't have a store, so we decided that would make the toilet, which is supposed to be for the guests, a store. So when I want to swim and sleep like a baby on the water, I use this. Of course, this is a former box for my the ring light. These are my workout mats. These are my bags. Everything is so disorganized right here, but yeah, these are our bags. If you know my bags, they're right here. Yeah, so basically that's our store. From the store you go right to the living room. You go right to the living room. You can actually see the living room right from the kitchen. I mean, it's very nice. We have a little pyramid here, sanitizer box where she keeps sweets because she really loves sweets. Yeah. And then we have little flowers here. We have, she's a wine person, so she says this I think this is a vodka. It's standing on a tool. She says she's been having it for quite some years, so I think it's a souvenir for her. Souvenir, yeah. And this is our wine stand, or yeah, so this is our wine stand right there. And these are my dolls. I want this one on the street. I'll make you a video of how you can buy a doll with 1 dirham. Yeah, so which one is your drink? Give me a comment. Leave me a comment. Let me know which drink do you recognize here. And then this is house perfume. These are just decors, really. And yeah, that's our set of TV and all her books in there, because I don't read really. I'll be lying if I said I read. This is our Wi-Fi. Isn't this flower pretty, guys? Anyway, this is my decoration for Christmas, which I haven't opened yet, but I'm yet to open for you guys. This is my in-house green plant. I love farming. I love growing stuff, and it just refused to grow because the soil is not that appealing for it. And I have 2 plants in the house. That's my sanitizer. I'm a very musical person. I don't know how to play that, but it's for decoration. This is the guitar she gifted me a few months ago. That's my second ring light. This is where we sit. Yeah. And this is a table. I think this is my camera right here. This is a very disorganized table, but everything on here is very important, trust me. This is my homework book. This is my laptop. That's a gift I brought for her when I came. This is her notebooks, so where she keeps her small details. So in detail, this is how it looks. Of course, that's my ring light. I'm the only one who does these kinds of stuff in this house. This is her study place. Of course, that's her PC, which is not working anymore, but she loves it. She's a candle lover. You can see lots of candles here. She's a candle lover, and a collection of all the matchboxes she gets from different countries she travels to, her camera, her paper, and her piano. Yay! That's her piano, guys. I didn't put her pictures in here because she doesn't really want to appear in any of these. Yeah, and that's the AC. and the phone. If you get to the reception and they don't allow you in, you can call me or her. From here we are going to our room. Yes, this place, we share it like I told you. So ta-da! And ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So this is all the unironed clothes. I came from the beach, so I just put the bag there. This is the ironing board, and sometimes she works out, and those are her, how do you call them, dumbbells or what? I don't know, but yay. This is my chikoi, obviously. This is her saving box. All this is mine. Forgive the messiness because I wanted to show it to you as real as possible. I didn't want to arrange it just for the video. And this is where I keep my makeup, and we have two mirrors. We have that one, and we have also this one here. So hello. Should I show you what's in there? No, I'll close it so I don't show you. That's her personal stuff, and this is her side of the bed, so I won't show you the stuff that is in, but I can show you we have two safes here. One is mine and one is hers, and I can't disclose what is hers and what is mine. This is our bed, ladies and gentlemen. This is our bed, like the place I feel home. Yeah, maroon bed sheets. It's my idea. And oh, I didn't show you, but this is my side and this is her side. So she keeps her clothes in, I keep mine on this side, she keeps hers on this side. And lots of my bags and hers are in that carbon. Yeah, and more candles and more books, and yeah, basically those are her novels. She's the one who reads novels. All these details are hers. Like in the summer when it gets too hot, and we have a little pharmacy here in the house, and you can guess whose this is because it is disorganized. And that's, yeah, so this is basically our room. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a shoe rack. I may not show you what is in there, but this is where we put our bed sheets and our towels, and this is the closet. That is all. When you're here, you can see in the living room. So this is our closet. Yeah guys, so that is, or this is our humble place. This is our humble place we call home. I hope you enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it for you guys, and I hope you found a reason to subscribe, because next I'm going to be showing you the Christmas tree that I decorated. It's a festive season, so I'm wishing you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a very, very, very Happy New Year. Please consider subscribing. I mean, please do it. I mean, do it. Other than that, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.